Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and rating some perfumes that I ordered. Finally, unboxing is Promised by J-Lo. And I already have one, but it's already done. No, actually there's like a little bit. There's a tiny bit left. But yeah, so it's done. I really liked how it smells, so I ordered a new one. Open it up. I'm not really gonna talk much about this one. Ta-da! I think this one's bigger, to be honest. I think that's what or is it the same? No, it's the same. This one's empty, this one's full. I don't know why this one looks nicer. What is it? And that perfume also came with this bag. Due to the corona and stuff, they were like giving this as a free gift. So
J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez right there. So cute.
So I'll be throwing this one away.
I don't know if it's just me or like do other people do this, but like I like to keep like that container of like perfumes even if I don't have I don't know, is it just me? Or like
And this one I'm really excited about. The KKW Fragrance Diamond by Kourtney, Kim, and Chloe. This was on sale for $28 on Ulta. So I got it with that one because that one was like, I already know how it smells and I really like it. This one was just to try it out and seeing it was on sale, so I might as well got it to try it out. And I got the Chloe. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is super cute. It's like a little cabinet thing. You open it up. Oh, cute. And it's shaped like a diamond, pink diamond. And let's try it out. Where's the thing? Oh, let's put it like down here because I already put the J-Lo one up here. Let's wait a little bit. The packaging is really cute though. It's not like, oh my gosh, amazing, but like it's super cute. Should I keep these? Like, no, I'm not gonna keep it. But like, oh, it doesn't stand. Oh, so like you see, like I'm gonna have to like lay it down, or maybe keep this and then put it here like this or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. No, that looks weird. Let's see what else. What did you Okay, so packaging is 4 out of 5. Pricing is 5 out of 5. $28 for this was really good. Scent wise, I don't really like it. Like it's like a good smell, but it has a lot of like flower smells, like rose. No, not even roses. Like I don't know what type of flower this is. Lilies or something. I don't know, but I don't like it. It's definitely more like a grown woman type of smell. Like I don't know, like my grandma will wear this. I don't know. It's not a bad smell either. Whatever. For the price, I'll wear it. Maybe I just need to get used to it. I don't know. The video, I hope you guys enjoy watching this little unboxing and rating these perfumes that I got. And I hope everyone's staying safe.